Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more, regular Jamaican cooking journey. And all my new subscribers right on over here, special welcome to you. Thank you so much. I wanna pretend everything correct. Hello, if you're new over here and you don't know what that means, when I ask if you're pretty, it means if you're okay. And if everything correct, it simply means you're cooked look of curry. I want to look of curry some. Now today, this video, I want to share with you how you can go about making a curry chicken and rice wrap. Yeah, curry chicken and rice wrap. Invented by yours truly. Yeah, I like a wrap. I always like wrap. And I'm just going to show you how you can take things and put together, make a wrap. Now for this dish, the first thing you're going to need is some of these. Whether homemade or store-bought. This found on them, I made these. I tried to help myself. I like them. They're really pricey in Jamaica. So when we look at it, I say, no sir. A flour and water and like a baking powder, I'm not going to pay so much for them. And sometimes them pop down like I myself in a supermarket. So if you would like to see how this is done from scratch, or if you don't want to, as I say, you can get the store-bought ones. But if you'd like to see how this is done from scratch, we uploaded that video on the Jamaican Debbie Debs about a month ago or 5 weeks ago. Go check it out. We're going to leave the link to the Jamaican Debbie Debs. If you're new and you don't know, it's my other channel. So we're going to leave the link and you go and just check it out right there. So you're going to need a tortilla, whether you want a whole wheat one, depending on what you want, your tortilla of choice. You're going to need a boneless, skinless chicken breast, nice and pretty and sweet. So what we're going to do now, we're going to curry this chicken breast, because we're going to put together curry chicken and rice wrap. Okay, you're going to need some rice, but you must steam the rice sort of like a, you know, you want the rice mushy, soft. It's not really sticky rice, because this is not the type of rice, but more something like on the sticky side. Huh? You want the rice with a soft texture. Okay, so we rice steam and then stuff. We're gonna use like a crispy vegetable salad. You know, we want when we eat the wrap, we feel some, so we're gonna use these to enhance the vegetable. We should have onions. Banana onion. Our family is $300 a pound for onions in Jamaica since like about last week. Why? Don't ask me, because we are out with onions are scarce. So if you had onions, it would be good. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this dice. It's washed already, so I'm gonna show you. So you want to cut it because we're in a long thing with it, you know, it's boneless. So you wanna cut it like this. You wanna have it really fine, you know, because we're gonna use it for the wrap. So you're gonna cut it fine. So let us go cut this and come back now. Okay family, this is how we cut off our chicken. Fine, so it will cook easily. Now if you want to make, and we're looking about 2, this can probably give you 2 or 3 wraps. Okay, you're trying to be economical, you can give you 3 with the rest of things that we're gonna put with it. But if you're making a whole bag, like you're having like a restaurant, you gotta use some more. Okay, right over here we have some used chicken oil, and I always emphasize, if you have used chicken oil, use it. It gives your chicken better flavor when you're going to cook. Remember, it did have a flavor already, you know. This is just 1 chicken breast, so we're just gonna put about that of curry in there. We don't want no more, because it's just 1 chicken breast. So we're gonna get our heat a bit up, and we are gonna be burning this curry. Whilst we're burning the curry, we're gonna use, normally, you know, I would use my scallions in my curry, but not today. We're gonna season this little chicken breast with scallions. So look at this. You wanna cut your scallion. Be careful though, you know. Be careful. Just take your time. No bother run. Just take your time. You want to cut it really fine, but don't stay and try to be, you know, you don't do that. Just take your time. It takes a lot of practice to do that. So you take your time and you cut it off. You just, when you get your knife down, you just push it. Push it. Look at it. You see what I'm saying? When you get to a certain point and you go along, you can do it. So you just carry your knife down, push it, down, push it, down, push it until you get everything fine. Now we have a curry right over here, burning off. Yes, we're gonna finish chop our scallions right here. We're gonna grate some garlic, lots of garlic I want. This is what I'm gonna use to season mine. You season your chicken with what you want. And I'm gonna use a little pimento powder, a little salt of course, and a piece of ginger. That's it. So we're gonna go now season off the chicken. When we return, we are gonna just season it up, well rub it up, and just come right ready for the curry oil, right? Only what I have, so this is it, and we are gonna rub it up just with a spoon right now. The pieces of the chicken are really small, so this is not anything to marinate. And can I say something to you, family? If you're not a person that is into powdered seasoning like me and you're using herbs, once you have ginger, garlic, and pimento powder, you're good to go. Every successful curry, chicken curry mutton must have in ginger, garlic, and pimento, of course. And if anybody tell us a lie, not no go so, who tell us so, tell them and me. Baby don't I tell us so. Every successful tasting curry, because can I say something? Those three goes together to fix that curry that you not have no diarrhea once you properly cook that curry. So we have a little chicken rub up. So you know, I have a little thing pan. So we have the curry right over here. And if you're on the Jamaican cooking journey, you know that when your curry burn and starts foaming, let us get it a bit. It was foaming and I turn it down. So if you're new right on over here, you're watching the curry for the very first time, and if you have not yet seen my curry chicken video, I will gonna leave the link to the curry chicken and the curry mutton video for you. And I eat and burn it, and as soon as you see it starts frying and frothing, this is time when you need to put the chicken in. Whilst that is coming up, I turn it down. Whilst that is coming right back up, I am gonna go now. When we're gonna use a little nice little, like a little paste, like a sauce with to sort of base the tortilla. So I'm gonna use some ketchup and a little barbecue sauce. You'll see what I'll be doing. You use what you like or what you have, okay? So I'll put in the chicken right here now. You see it start frothing. It was frothing a little more, but because I turned the heat down. Okay, it is ready. It's because I turned the heat down, but it was frothing real furiously because I wanted you to see what I was doing. Okay, that is happening. You know the next thing. All of you who are on the Jamaican cooking journey, you know at this point, you must be coating it up into that little thing. No water at this point. No water. You see, from there on, you see the color of your curry chicken. What we're going to do now, because it's such a little bit, we're going to turn it down almost to low, and then we're going to go cover it. And you must have your kettle with water as usual. You know that, boiled water, hot water. So we're going to go now and leave it. And whilst it's taking the color and in there, it's going to steam. And as soon as it dries out, you tip a little hot water at a time, a little at a time, a little at a time. When we return, you'll see the progress we have made. Okay, now family, this is the pace at which your little curry chicken breast, boneless, skinless curry chicken breast should be cooking down. And as each time you stir, give it 25 to 30 minutes. 25 wouldn't kill it. You see what I'm saying? 30 minutes maximum for the curry to cook properly. So you don't want it cook and dry out in it. It must cook and have a little sauce. So we'll leave it each time you go and it dries out. You put a little more, you boil water and you stir it constantly. So that is on there and you got to be watching it. Okay? Now right over here. So this wrap we want when we start biting our curry chicken and rice, we want some crunch. So we want a kind of like a fresh salad like with some cabbage. Right over here I have some lettuce. Leaves small, but they are nice. I have them in some cold water. The trick to, or the reason it's in the cold water, the ice cold water keeps the crunch up on the lettuce. Okay, so we want crunch. So what I'm gonna do right now, I have my cabbage all washed and I'm gonna shred it. So I'm using a serrated knife. I want it finely shredded. I don't want it big. I want it just long and thin. So this is how you use it. You press the knife against it and then it comes down. Just take your time. It's not anything to hurry. Just like this, set it at an angle. So you carry it right down and get it. You want it real fine, okay? That is what I'm gonna be doing. Now we want a little vinaigrette to vinaigrette this little cabbage and something. This little little vegetable, crunchy vegetable. It must be not cooked, it must be raw. I have right in here a little, that is like a teaspoon of brown sugar, and I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of vinegar. To this, you might want to use your olive oil. If you have, do so at your own risk or whatever. Put in a little oil and put in a little lime juice. I'll leave for you in the description what we're using to make this little vinaigrette. Remember, I don't need a lot in this, because it's just like a small amount. So if you are using more, you'd need more lime juice. You see what I'm saying? Because I don't want a lot of, like, the vinegar is there already. So you just want like a little bit. And I can probably look, I'm going to get another lime to get me a little more lime juice. So you're going to leave it a nice clear little vinaigrette. Leave it in there. The sugar will dissolve because the vinegar and the little lime juice and all of that, it will automatically dissolve in there. So when we return, we have this nice little clear vinaigrette. Okay, if you want to flavor it, you can flavor it with something too. Suppose you have instead of using, you can use that oil there. It's a strong oil. I don't remember the oil. You know what I'm talking about. I'll tell you when I return, okay? So you see the water dry out. That's how you treat the curry chicken. I was there and I heard it drying out. You put a little and you stir and you stir. Not a whole heap one time boiling it down like we have boiled breadfruit. Okay? So we're going to do that and fix the little vegetable, and when we return, I think it will be almost time to be putting this wrap together. Okay, family, first things first. Our curry chicken is finished, so I went right ahead and separated the chicken from the gravy. Left it to cool because we can't have it too hot, you know. Okay, so you want your gravy rich and nice and thick. Yeah, well, if you don't want your gravy thick, okay, it's yours. Our rice is here. Yep. It should be even a little softer than this, but we try work with it. Should be on the little more stickier side, but we will work with it, okay? I went ahead, I found a little carrot. So, because what we had was looking a bit dull. So we found some carrot, red sweet pepper, green sweet pepper, or bell peppers, and some shredded carrot, and we chopped lettuce. And this is the little vinaigrette. I found a little bit more lime juice, but I think I might just put a dash of Worcestershire. Oops, you know Worcestershire, it has a nice flavor. And I was talking about that oil. It's not grapeseed. What did I say it was, camera girl? Flaxseed. Is it flaxseed? I don't remember. Sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil. So this is the vinaigrette. I'll leave for you in the description because this have a little nice sort of sweet sour taste. So we want to put this to it. You can do it ahead of time and leave it in there, but don't put too much. But I don't like to dress the salad before I use it, you know. Dressing the salad before you use it makes it become saggy. You see what I'm saying? So I always like to have, you see now we get that little color coming out. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, we found a little carrot. The carrot did a lot for it. Okay? But I really don't like to dress my salad before. But to be honest, if you do dress it before, you'd probably have to drain the excess liquid. But dressing it before you're ready to use it, it always becomes saggy. But it's up to you. Okay. We found a little beetroot, but you know the nature of the beetroot. It will turn everything red, but it's nice, so we're going to use it just by itself. Now we are ready to put the wrap together. Okay. So we are going to use the mampia first. Let me use the cleaner side. What I like to do, this is my barbecue sauce and ketchup, as I told you. I like to use it. Don't go straight to the edge, you know, to have it on the tortilla. Camera girl, are you in? So this will help the rice to hold down to the tortilla. Put as much as you would like. So at this point now, we're gonna go, let us rinse this spoon because we want something to press the rice down. Okay, y'all. And I did put out another question. Where would you like to see me upload? Okay, let's get on to this. So you're going to put your rice and you want to press your rice down. I'm going to come back to what I was saying. Just gently. We're going to go finish this. It takes a little time. So this is how you do your rice, okay? Let us go fix our rice and come back to you. Okay, y'all? Okay, now family. Your hands. Clean hands. So you want to put some of your vegetable. You see how we press the rice down that it held? So try to get in. Put the vegetable. You see what I'm saying? Now, you have to use a spoon to put some curry chicken. Just take your time. Just take your time. Okay? You want to hear some curry, there's some foul in this thing, so you gotta put some chicken. Now, you want to put a little curry gravy on top of your chicken. Just a little bit, not too much. Then now, you want to have one more layer of your vegetable. Because the vegetable, it is what is going to do the trick, you know. It is going to give you that nice crunch when you're eating on the inside. Huh? Okay. This is what you have. Now, we have got here this bad boy. When I like mix up with nobody. You just sprinkle a little all over. Nutritious, colorful also. Different shade, different color. That's it. Okay. Now, we want to roll. You want to roll this thing. So what you want to do, you want to come right here. Look like we had too much, but no problem. We had too much of the vegetable. Let's press it down. Let's go get this vegetable all pressed down, family. Okay, now let's roll our wrap. So you want to gently take it, and let me show you what you can do to close your wrap. So that's why your tortilla have got to be soft and all of that. So what you can do now, you can, some people would use foil. I don't want to use the foil. You just use like a piece of greaseproof paper and you wrap it and tuck it, and this is what you would have. Look at the color contrast that we have inside there. Look at it, y'all. Let me present. And if you so desire, you can drizzle some of your, let's clean up our plate, your curry chicken gravy over it, but we're not gonna do it. So look at it. This is what you have on the inside. So let me present to you, from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, to your palate, to your family table, it's a curry chicken and rice wrap done from scratch. You saw me, I did it. And remember, I told you, you just use your grease proof and you can hold it here and then you can go eat. I was really saying to you all now that we posted a question. Where do you want us to? But sometimes family, you know, these get a little messy, so you got to know what you're doing. Where do you want us to post the steaming of the Jamaican black cake? Remember, we're supposed to do that from in December, but we're going to do it somewhere near here now. So, majority of the people voted on the Jamaican cooking journey. When we couldn't have the Jamaican Debbie, so 10%. Now, remember to like, share, subscribe. When you do, please leave your comments below. And when you have subscribed, remember to hit your notification bell. Now, post notification today. Shout out goes to Grandma
on duty.
Okay? Grandma on duty. Big up yourself. Manners and respect. And this is not a shout and no post notification, but one of my nice, decent subscribers has asked me to give her a shout out. Her name is
Sonia Award.
Sonia Award. Big up yourself, Sonia. Manners and respect. Please do one of these for yourself. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and remember to leave your comments below. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Debbie from Gangayard, bless. No stress.